Yeah, today is 4th of September 2022 and no any legal improvements in European Union court case. Son is still hostage by the criminals in Riga city. New objectives will come into force from tomorrow. The murders of direct involvements into appointed crimes, deliberate violences at the level of the courts of Republic of Latvia, specifically in Riga city, must be started from tomorrow onto the open way with advanced executions of all criminal bodies, mostly females, black criminal dogs as per facts only. Colonization of German banks in the systematic performance with all the criminal population which aren't willing to understand their importances and common regulatories in the electronic managements, since criminal performances are still continuing. Message to the German prosecutor: before making any conclusions internally, must be made extreme national order to avoid any conflicts from the criminal electronic managers or the systematic players with absence of understandings of personal responsibilities. If the violators, the criminal violators in managements will not be justified, thus permissiveness won't be anyhow controlled until the moment objective knives will be inserted into their criminal heads. Same in the blue performances at the level of political managements in UK and Russian Federation. Must be set clear frames and signatures of the agreement for follow-up of such. Most dangerous performances are at the level of the black courts, which will be collected for the forced justice by law and or reasonable murders, wastes, as per facts of performed crimes and deliberate violences. Black criminal mentalities isn't possible to remake, to adjust, or to humanize, since their malfunctions are above the understandings of personal responsibilities until such are applied by the force. Highest court representatives are electronically hooked for the forced justice. However, management performances at the level of the ministries and systematic players are still continuing until official consequences are applied by the forced methods in objective executions. Criminal competitiveness of the malfunctional idiots will not be anyhow stopped until the moment their bodies, their lives, their interests are legally justified. Executions of legal payments will be performed on the advanced way, with no asks, with no permissions, after the objective invoices will be sent to involved organizations. In case thus violators will be anyhow resisting the legal objectives, thus will be collected and or reasonably murdered. The only option to legalize criminals is forced methods of legal responsibilities which are stated in the national legislation, especially in the criminal code. Game type criminals, the children garden with absence of any types of understandings, are subject to total distractions. Legal distractions are happening because functionalities are degraded by the ones who are obligated to keep thus running, to keep thus as per existing legal scopes.